Welcome to the Smart Agri Hub channel. Today, we delve into an intriguing topic: the top 5 neglected crops that are surprisingly profitable across the globe. While mainstream agriculture often focuses on familiar staples, there are lesser known crops quietly generating impressive returns for farmers. These crops not only offer financial benefits, but also contribute to sustainable agricultural practices. Join us as we uncover which crops are making a big impact in unexpected ways. Diversifying agriculture is crucial for building resilient farming systems and ensuring long term sustainability. By expanding beyond traditional crops, farmers can tap into new markets and reduce their vulnerability to price fluctuations or environmental challenges. Overlooked crops, often adapted to local conditions, present untapped economic opportunities that can boost income and support rural development. Embracing a wider variety of crops not only enhances food security, but also encourages innovation within the agricultural sector. This approach allows farmers to respond more effectively to changing consumer demands and global trends. A crop is considered neglected when it receives little attention from researchers, policymakers, and commercial agriculture, despite its potential value. These crops are often overshadowed by widely cultivated staples like wheat, rice, and maize. Factors such as limited market demand, lack of investment, and insufficient promotion contribute to their marginalization. As a result, neglected crops frequently go unnoticed in mainstream agriculture, even though they may offer unique nutritional benefits and resilience to local environmental conditions. Quinoa, originally cultivated in the Andean region of South America, has a rich history dating back thousands of years. This ancient grain is renowned for its exceptional nutritional profile, offering high levels of protein, fiber, and essential amino acids. As awareness of its health benefits has grown, quinoa has seen a surge in global demand, making it a highly sought after crop. Its adaptability to various climates and soils has further contributed to its profitability, attracting farmers and investors worldwide. Today, quinoa stands out as a staple in health conscious diets and a lucrative option in international agriculture. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, is gaining popularity for its remarkable versatility. In the food industry, its leaves are used as a nutrient rich ingredient, packed with vitamins and minerals, while its seeds and pods are incorporated into various dishes and supplements. The health sector values moringa for its antioxidant and anti inflammatory properties, making it a sought after component in wellness products. Its ability to thrive in diverse climates and poor soil conditions makes it an attractive option for farmers, offering reliable yields even in challenging environments. This adaptability, combined with high market demand, positions moringa as a lucrative crop choice. Teff is a tiny, nutrient rich grain that has been a staple in Ethiopian cuisine for centuries. It forms the foundation of injera, a traditional sourdough flatbread that is central to many meals in Ethiopia. Teff is valued not only for its earthy flavor, but also for its high levels of protein, fiber, and essential minerals. Recently, teff has gained attention in global markets as a gluten free alternative, appealing to those with dietary restrictions. Its versatility and health benefits continue to drive its popularity beyond its traditional roots. Bambara groundnut stands out as a resilient crop, thriving even in harsh and arid climates where other legumes may struggle. Its ability to withstand drought makes it an invaluable resource for regions facing unpredictable weather patterns. Rich in protein, Bambara groundnut offers a nutritious alternative to traditional staples, supporting food security and dietary diversity. As global markets seek sustainable and adaptable sources of plant protein, this versatile legume is gaining recognition for its potential to meet rising demand. Its unique qualities position Bambara groundnut as a promising option for both farmers and consumers worldwide. Amaranth, crop number 5, has a rich history dating back thousands of years, with origins in ancient civilizations such as the Aztecs and Incas. This resilient grain was revered for its nutritional value, offering a complete protein profile, high fiber, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Today, amaranth is gaining renewed attention among health conscious consumers who seek alternatives to traditional grains. Its gluten free nature and impressive nutrient content make it a popular choice for those looking to enhance their diets. As interest grows, amaranth is being incorporated into a variety of foods, from cereals to baked goods. When evaluating the profitability of these crops against traditional staples such as wheat, rice, or corn, a notable difference emerges. Specialty crops often command higher prices due to their unique characteristics and growing demand in niche markets. This increased value can translate into greater returns for farmers, especially when targeting international buyers. Export opportunities for these crops are expanding, driven by global interest in diverse agricultural products. As a result, producers may find that cultivating specialty crops offers both enhanced market potential and access to lucrative trade channels compared to common staples. Cultivating neglected crops offers significant environmental advantages. These crops often require fewer chemical inputs, which helps maintain and even improve soil health over time. By diversifying the types of plants grown, farmers can support a wider range of insects, birds, and other wildlife, boosting local biodiversity. Additionally, many neglected crops are naturally resilient to pests and diseases, reducing the need for pesticides. This approach not only benefits the environment, but also contributes to more sustainable agricultural systems. Across the globe, farmers and communities have experienced remarkable transformations by cultivating overlooked crops. In India, smallholder farmers who adopted millets saw improved soil health and increased resilience against drought, leading to higher yields and stable incomes. In Kenya, communities growing indigenous vegetables reported enhanced nutrition and food security, with surplus produce sold at local markets. These success stories highlight how diversifying crops can empower rural populations, foster economic growth, and promote sustainable agriculture. By embracing lesser-known varieties, farmers are not only safeguarding their livelihoods, but also contributing to healthier ecosystems. For farmers and agripreneurs considering profitable crops, it's essential to begin with thorough research on local climate and soil conditions. Connecting with agricultural extension services can provide valuable guidance and access to training programs. Exploring online platforms and government databases helps identify current market trends and demand for specific crops. Building relationships with buyers, cooperatives, and distributors can open up new sales channels and ensure steady income. Finally, staying informed about sustainable practices and certifications can enhance crop value and appeal to a broader market. In summary, the featured crops offer promising opportunities for both sustainability and profitability in modern agriculture. Their resilience, adaptability, and market demand make them valuable choices for farmers seeking to diversify and future-proof their operations. By integrating these crops, growers can reduce environmental impact while improving yields and income. Considering these options may lead to more sustainable farming practices and long-term success. Thank you for joining us on Smart Agri Hub. We appreciate your interest in innovative agriculture and hope you found today's content insightful. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos, where we explore cutting-edge technologies and sustainable farming practices. Exciting new topics are on the horizon, so stay tuned for more advancements in the world of agriculture.